familiar? My name is Pierce Walls, and if you're sick of getting spun right round, baby right round, you need to suck it up! Introducing the Vacuum Cleaner. Thanks to its patented GigaSuck Vortex technology, it treats the cause, not the symptoms. Watch this. Get in there! Problem solved instantly! And the mess safely stored in the convenient burden sack. Call now and we'll double the suction. That's 2 times the GigaSuck. The Vacuum Cleaner, because everyone deserves a fair fight.